All right. So today I have the question of how do you connect an AWeber sign up form into ClickFunnels and have it automatically apply a tag to everyone who signs up through that sign up form. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it. And the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to create a sign up form on AWeber specific to this tag. Now, the reason why you might want to do this is if you were going to give a specific lead magnet out to everyone who signed up with this tag or put them into a specific campaign. So we want a tag that's specific to our campaign. So I'm going to set a form that's specific to our campaign. So I'm going to create a sign up form here, and I'm just going to call it sample form, right? So this is our sample campaign. The first thing we do is we just get rid of all this extra content, turn off everything so that your form is just a name, email address, and submit button. And over in this section down here, we're going to put the tag that we want. So this is going to be sample, okay, because it's for our sample campaign. This page is done. We're going to save our form. We're going to go to step 2. We're going to say this is our sample form, and we need, because we're going to use an HTML integration with ClickFunnels so that we don't have to send out confirmation emails. And in order to do that, we have to have our thank you page here. So to do that, I'm going to hop over to my ClickFunnels page. This is the page that I'm working on, and I want to go into Settings, Integrations. If you forget, just look for the envelope because it's email. And we're going to integrate a null form HTML form. Now, you don't have to put any code in here yet because we're going to get that from AWeber in a second. But what we need here is this thank you page URL. So we're going to take that back to AWeber, and we're going to set a custom page to that address and an already subscribed page, custom page, to that address. I'm going to show advanced settings and make sure that this displays something that's useful for me. I don't really need the word form in the ad tracking, so I'll do sample, make sure that it's going to send out the first follow-up message, and save the form. Now, everything for AWeber is done at this point. So we're going to go to Publish, and we're going to tell it, I will install my form. And this is where we're going to get the HTML form information for ClickFunnels. When we say raw HTML version, it gives us just the HTML. And we want to get rid of all these styles because ClickFunnels is going to do all the styling of the page for us. So it reduces the size of what we're taking over there. So we're going to copy this, we're going to take it to our page, and we're going to paste in the HTML code. Now if you just click parse and save, you get an error saying that it doesn't like a script tag. So here you can see the closing script. So we're going to scroll up until we find the opening script. And it'll be right at the end. This is the end of the form and beginning of the script. So we're going to type all that script, and we're just going to hit backspace. We're going to get rid of it. Now when we hit parse and save form, we get it pulls the tags out of the form, and then we can synchronize them with the name and email values that are coming. See, name and email are these, and these it pulled out of here. So this connects your form values on your ClickFunnel to your form values in your AWeber form. So that's all there is to it. You save the form. You're done with this. You can just go back to your sign-up forms, and now anyone who signs up through this form and puts in their name and email address, when they come in through this sample form, the subscriber will have the tag here. Cool? All right. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and happy coding.